Task 12 video submission. In this video, we will be designing a responsive product registration page using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Tailwind CSS. So first of all, we will recap what we have done so far. We have created user sign up, sign in, connected it to a database, added a few features like remember me, forget password. Then we also created a user profile edit, or view the user profile information and then edit it if we please, and update our database. We showed that in the last video. In this video, we'll be creating a responsive product registration page. So let's look at the GUI first. So this is what it will look like. Register new product, and we can enter the product title, the description, select a category for it, enter the price in rupees, select the level, select the status, and add an image. So we'll just put game development, category. So take it as education field. Set the price 80,000 rupees. Intermediate. It's active. We can register the product. Successful product has been registered successfully. So we will get into the backend part of it later in the video. In the next video. Now we'll just look at how we create this UI. As you can see on how it becomes blue, our categories, levels, and as you can see the blue ring as before. And yeah, let's get into the code. So first of all, we need to make sure that the user role is seller, because the buyer cannot be creating a product. So this is our code. The start section is to make sure the session is active, that someone has logged in. And then we have a section to get the categories from the database that we showed previously. And this is our main code. So we use Tailwind CSS. So we have success or error message that we saw. So text screen says it's successful. If not, we have to say error. This section should be red. So error in red, there is no error. And then we have the registration form, product title that we have to type, the description, and the category. As you can see, the category we take it from the database. String to 500. So as we said in the previous videos, px, py, padding, x, padding y is from top and bottom, and mb stands for margin border. So these are, it's quite similar to what we did previously. Over here though, you might see a difference. We have put in our own drop down, whereas it should be more like this. We should get it from the database so that we don't have to be opening the back end of the PHP. Instead, we have to update our database. So that will be done in a later video. Then we have our drag and drop for the image. So this is the JS part of it. So this will help us to input the image, or if you want to drag and drop, as well as handling the hover and make it blue. And also here we have a few validations. Make sure the image is as follows, and then the size does not exceed 5 MB. And then this section creates a preview. So it reads the file that we have uploaded and then gives us a preview of it. We also have remove image, which I did not show. We'll come back to it. So if we go to test, let's add an image here like this. outputs. As you can see, product title must be less than 150. Description must be less than 1000. We cannot check that because that will take some time. But yeah, so all these validations are in place, and if everything is correct, we get a success. If not, we get an error. So the error message is shown over here, and yeah, so that's it for the design of the UI using Tailwind CSS. If you want to get into things, these are things we have spoken about in previous videos, text gray 600 and so on.